Want to build muscle while staying lean? Before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more amazing fitness and nutrition content. Today, we'll break down whether you should include cardio while bulking and the 5 key reasons why it might actually help your gains. Let's get into it. Supports heart. Health bulking doesn't mean ignoring your cardiovascular system. Regular cardio strengthens your heart, improves blood flow, and helps transport nutrients to your muscles more efficiently. A strong heart means better endurance during workouts, leading to more effective training sessions and muscle growth. Plus, maintaining good cardiovascular health ensures that your body can handle intense weightlifting sessions without getting winded too easily. This is especially crucial for compound lifts like squats and deadlifts, which require a strong and stable core along with steady breathing control. Cardio, such as walking or cycling, helps increase blood circulation, which reduces muscle soreness and speeds up recovery. This allows you to train harder and more frequently without feeling as fatigued. When you engage in light cardio on rest days, it helps flush out lactic acid buildup and keeps your muscles loose and flexible. Additionally, improved circulation delivers essential nutrients and oxygen to your muscles, promoting better growth and reducing the risk of injury. Many bodybuilders incorporate light cardio post-workout to assist with active recovery and keep their bodies in peak condition. Helps manage fat gain while bulking. You're in a calorie surplus, which can sometimes lead to unwanted fat gain. Including moderate cardio helps burn excess calories and keeps fat accumulation in check without interfering with muscle-building goals. A common misconception is that cardio will burn muscle, but in reality, as long as you're eating enough protein and maintaining resistance training, muscle loss will not be an issue. Instead, strategic cardio can help you stay lean and reveal muscle definition even while bulking. Whether it's a 20-minute jog, incline walking, or a light rowing session, adding cardio 2 to 3 times a week can be a game changer for keeping fat levels under control. Increases appetite struggling to eat enough calories while bulking? Cardio can actually stimulate your appetite by increasing your body's energy demands. A short cardio session before meals can help you consume more food and hit your daily caloric intake. For those who find it difficult to eat large meals, light cardio like a brisk walk can kickstart digestion and boost hunger levels. This is particularly useful when you need to consume high-calorie meals, but don't feel hungry enough to do so. Pairing cardio with a well-structured meal plan ensures you're hitting your macros while staying on track with your bulk. Boosts overall conditioning. If you only focus on lifting, you might experience a decline in endurance and conditioning. Incorporating cardio ensures you maintain a good level of athleticism, making daily activities easier and enhancing overall fitness levels. Think about it. What's the point of gaining muscle if you're out of breath after climbing a few stairs? Good conditioning allows you to perform better in the gym, recover faster between sets, and even increase your work capacity over time. Plus, staying active through cardio helps improve insulin sensitivity, ensuring that the calories you consume go toward muscle building rather than fat storage. So, should you do cardio? While bulking, absolutely. The key is balance. Stick to low to moderate intensity sessions a few times a week to enjoy the benefits without compromising muscle growth. Avoid excessive high-intensity cardio that could burn too many calories and interfere with your surplus. Instead, focus on controlled, steady-state exercises that support your training rather than hinder it. The best way to approach cardio while bulking is to treat it as an enhancer rather than an obstacle. When done right, cardio complements your bulk by improving endurance, managing fat gain, and keeping your body functioning at its best. And there you have it, 5 reasons why cardio can actually help your bulking journey. What's your take? Do you include cardio in your bulking routine? Let me know in the comments. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Stay strong, stay lean, and keep chasing those gains.